Et salut YouTube, j'espère que vous allez bien. Aujourd'hui, on va continuer, je ne dis pas finir, on va continuer Kingdom Hearts Dream Drop Distance, j'arrive jamais à le dire. Donc, on n'a pas vraiment avancé, hein, on est toujours au boss, on a fini le boss avec Sora, le boss du jeu. Et là, on va faire l'enchaînement de boss avec Riku. Donc j'espère que je vais y arriver. Je vous promets rien, mais je vous promets de mettre, de tout faire pour essayer d'y arriver. Voilà. Donc, si vous voulez soutenir, n'hésitez pas à liker, commenter et partager cette vidéo, et à vous abonner à la chaîne aussi pour plus de soutien. Allez, on est parti, et on va voir ce que ça donne.
Sora?
Je vais quitter le. La cinématique, on l'a vu plein de fois, hein, je la passe. Hein. Alors attendez, il faut que je me rappelle un peu. Ah, cette attaque là. Non, 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 désolé, je me concentre, je peux pas vous parler. Hein. Vous comprendrez bien que j'ai envie d'en finir. Oh non, mais c'est pas ça. Oh. J'ai réussi. J'ai réussi. Ah, mais j'y croyais pas, j'y croyais pas. Oui, super. Ah, je suis contente.
Sora, don't chase the dreams. They'll lead you nowhere. Just to an abyss you'll never be able to wake up from. What? What's going on in Sora's world? Why won't he open his eyes? Is he still in the nightmare?
That is right.
Huh? Ansem!
Oh non.
Sora can no longer wake up. No matter how many nightmares you consume, you cannot wake someone who has fallen into
C'est dit
the
bon, c'est
chasm
bon.
of dreams.
What?
Ah, désolé, je suis pas trop sur la raison en ce moment.
Memories. Sleep holds our dreams, and darkness, it holds our sleep. Sora's heart belongs to the darkness now.
Sora would never give in to the darkness!
But you feel it, don't you? This world, the nightmare, the abyss. Why haven't you returned to the reality whence you came?
No. This is a...
Dream of a dream. A twofold nightmare. This whole journey, you have been inside Sora's dreams. And now darkness within darkness awaits you.
What? No! I can't get loose!
Coucou le doc.
At the start of your test, when you struck out from that tiny island, you saw me there dressed in a robe. Immediately you knew something was wrong. So without even knowing it, you dove into Sora's dream. And you became exactly what
J'en
that
peux plus de
sigil
lui.
on your back represents. A dream eater to protect Sora from nightmares.
Me? I'm a dream eater?
Correct.
Hein?
But you failed to protect him. After all your efforts to command the darkness and protect those you cherish, it is a shame you locked that power away in the end.
Except... it's not over. I can still save Sora.
So you understand what to do. Set the darkness in you free, and you can rescue your friend.
Ansem. Or... Xehanort. You used to be a Keyblade wielder. But darkness stole your heart. And the Keyblade with it. Don't you see? That's half the reason I'm even on this journey. After allowing darkness into my heart, am I still fit to wield the Keyblade? Even after locking you away. Here you are, haunting me again. So I get it now. There's no point in trying to hold the darkness back.
At last, you see clearly.
You know, when I look at you, there's this memory that flashes back. A secret I said I'd keep when I was little. The main reason I kept dreaming about seeing the outside world was because of him. My journey begins here. And now, I'm going back to the real world. And then to Sora's side.
That is your answer?
Yes. I know the way. Consume the darkness. Return it to light.
You can try.
J'espère que je vais pas le battre. Oh non! Oh mais c'est pas possible, il va jamais me laisser tranquille lui hein. J'aimerais bien essayer de le toucher déjà dans un premier temps.
You can't protect anything.
Je peux pas voir ce que vous dites. Hein. Mais qu'est-ce qu'il veut lui? Non. J'ai réussi? Non, il va avoir une autre phase, hein, c'est obligé. C'est obligé. Salut Furiosa, et recoucou Madame Photographie. Qu'est-ce qui se passe? Je ne suis pas prête.
Ansem! You're part of my heart now. Part of the light.
Ouais, c'est
Ever
obligé.
the fool boy, and forever a pawn of the darkness.
Attends, ça voulait pas autoriser ton message. Oh là là, c'est un enfer. Ça veut dire qu'on va battre plusieurs ensemble, tu vas voir, je suis sûre.
Accept the darkness.
Non, j'accepte pas. Non. Comment je peux faire pour le taper J'ai l'impression que je peux pas l'attendre. Oh non, juste quand je fais ma fusion.
Accept the darkness.
Je vois plus rien. J'ai mon deuxième soin là. Attends, on a marre Lulu, ça y est. Je bouge trop, excuse-moi. Hein.
Accept the darkness.
Ah, en fait, je peux pas, j'arrive pas à l'éviter ce truc. Voilà. J'ai réussi. Merci. Oh non, le plus dur, j'ai mal à la tête rien que d'y penser. Mais il a jamais la faire, c'est pas possible. Le fou des ballons. C'est vrai, hein. C'est une attaque toute colorée, mais elle fait trop mal en fait. Hein.
Strength to protect what matters.
Ah, ballon X. Ah ouais, attends, ça aurait été bien.
This place. Did I finally make it out of the dream? Sora and I have been split up since the start of our journey. Because Ansem... No. Because Xehanort planned it. And that means... we're a long way off course from the Mark of Mastery exam Yen Sid gave us.
Ah, l'OST de Rico.
Alright. Sora's gotta be here. Somewhere.
Donc là, il reste 2 boss encore. C'est ça? Des bisous pour Sebo, bonne soirée. Ok. Dommage.
End of the road, huh? I know I'm back in the real world, but I still have my Dream Eater
Je
powers,
sais pas, on va voir.
which means he still hasn't woken up. Where are you, Sora? Huh?
Et coucou Ruby. Ah,
A Dream Eater.
c'est
Is
Titi.
that where Sora is? How do I get across?
Ah, ça c'est Granola, ça. Là, ils veulent jouer avec toi, je crois.
Right. I get it.
C'est clair, la petite musique mignonne.
Sora!
Ah,
Hands off my new vessel.
Vessel?
Yes, we originally had our sights set on you. But you developed a certain resistance to darkness. So we did what the Keyblade did, and moved down the list. Roxas. Now there was a worthy candidate. But, unfortunately, he became too aware of himself, and returned to Sora. Organization 13's true goal is to divide Xehanort's heart among 13 vessels. Thanks to you and Sora, we learned not all our candidates were fit for the task, but we managed to make up the difference.
ça fait des mois que je pense à son.
Sora, the 13th vessel, He's within our grasp.
Ah, il va se passer quelque chose.
13 Xehanorts? What is
The real Organization 13.
the organization?
I am Xehanort from the most distant past. My future self gave me a task. To visit the splintered versions of myself in many worlds, and ensure they gathered here today.
From the past?
There are restrictions to movement through time. First, you must leave your body behind to do it. Then there must be a version of you waiting at the destination. Upon arrival, you can only move forward as per the laws of time. And you
C'est celui dont on
cannot
n'arrive pas à
rewrite the
prononcer le nom,
events
c'est ça.
that are destined to happen.
What have you done?
My most future self will arrive soon. Then time for all of us will return to normal. And I will go back to my era to live the life fate has in store. He can vouch for that.
Ah, eh ben enfin.
I'm glad I'm not too late.
Mickey!
Just grab Sora so we can go. I can't stop them for long.
Il est fort quand même, hein, Mickey, pour arriver à tous
Ok.
les retenir.
Mickey!
Ah ouais.
I said hands off!
How can you be moving?
Ouh là là. Ça me fait
Oh
peur.
no. Are you?
Be gone!
Merci. Il est fort quand même. Ah, je sais pas bien pour. Je peux plus bouger, je peux plus bouger. Tiens, prends mes ballons dans la tête. qu'il a fait? Qu'est-ce que c'est que ça? Qu'est-ce que je dois faire? Qu'est-ce que je dois faire? Qu'est-ce que je dois faire? J'ai pas compris là. Il y avait marqué utilise l'altération du temps. Donc je l'ai fait. Et là, qu'est-ce que je dois faire pendant ce temps? Merci. Je tape ça alors. Merci de ton aide. Stress. Attends, mais on a recommencé? Il a un fouet maintenant.
Take this! Ha! Yeah! Yeah! Take this! Yeah!
Il est où?
Yeah! Yeah!
C'est ça qu'il faut taper. Tiens. Oh là, il fait trop mal. Mais qu'est-ce que... J'arrive pas à le taper. Qu'est-ce que je dois faire? Qu'est-ce que je dois faire? Je me suis débrouillée toute seule. Pourquoi t'es deg?
Are you okay, Riku?
Yeah. Thanks, Mickey.
Ah bah ça fait du bien
We
d'avancer.
were right about you.
All of this was decided. My 12 selves would welcome me here on this day, when I would return a complete person. It is the future
En fait, c'est pas vraiment
which lies
étonnant.
beyond my sight.
Allez, on y va.
Why are you doing this?
In ancient times, people believed that light was a gift from an unseen land by the name of Kingdom Hearts. But Kingdom Hearts was safeguarded by
Il a perdu tous ses cheveux alors en
the
vieillissant.
Keyblade. Warriors vied for that precious light, thus beginning the Keyblade War. The violent clash shattered the Keyblade into 20 pieces. 7 of light and 13 of darkness. And the only real Kingdom Hearts was swallowed by the darkness, never to surface again. I once tried to create my own pure light and darkness to forge the Keyblade, but the attempt ended in failure In my eagerness, I had lost sight of the correct way to achieve my goal.
Non, ça va aller, Largo,
I
t'inquiète.
acted rashly. I can admit that now.
What you did back then, your mistakes, changed the destinies of 3 of my friends.
Ah, but destiny is never left to chance. I merely guided them to their proper places. The broken boy who failed to be the blade. The misguided master who sacrificed herself for a friend. And the feckless youth who became my new vessel.
I couldn't find a way to save them. But I wanted to believe that their sacrifice stopped you for good. Why? How was I so blind? I should have seen it as soon as Maleficent started gathering the 7 princesses of heart.
Yes. They were all my doing. I used the evil fairy to find 7 pure lights for me. Just as I prepared 13 vessels to fill with pure darkness.
But you failed. Sora stopped you in your tracks on both counts.
Yes, he did. That dull, ordinary boy. A Keyblade wielder so unlike any I have ever seen. However, I have not abandoned my ambitions. The 7 Guardians of Light and the 13 Seekers of Darkness.
7 Guardians of Light? Well, for Keyblade wielders, there's me and Riku and Sora. And my 3 missing friends, that's 6. Then the 7th would be... Oh, that means the 13 Seekers of Darkness.
Yes, little king. Perceptive. But Sora and another on your list belong to me now. And that puts you 3 guardians short. But worry not. All of the pieces are destined to appear. Your 7 lights, just like my 13 darknesses, whose final clash will beget the prize I seek.
The
Keyblade.
Keyblade!
But first, the 13 darknesses shall be united.
Oh non, celui je dois battre.
All the seats have been filled. And now, the last vessel shall bear my heart like the rest.
No! Sora! No!
He made it!
You.
Axel!
Axel? Please. The name's Lee. Got it memorized?
You're not supposed to be here!
Promises to keep. I'll always be there to get my friends back. What? Bad timing? You had your perfect little script, but you kind of forgot to write the sequel. Now, let's find out what happens.
Ugh. What now, you old coot? Our time is up!
Isa.
Why are you here, Axel?
No, I told you my name's... Whatever. Axel. Fine. Now let's get out of here.
Right.
C'est les Avengers. Eh ben enfin.
Were we supposed to do that?
I think so.
Goofy, Donald, you saved us.
We are out of time. Neither the union of light nor darkness has been achieved. We must all return whence we came. But the gathering of the 7 and 13 is nigh. Let us finish this at the fated place, once your lights and my darknesses have joined together.
Les profondeurs des ténèbres. Trophée obtenu. Donald et Dingo sur le crâne de l'ombre au fond semble beaucoup plus de dégâts que tous les sorts de Rico. Oui.
Seven lights, 13 darknesses. Master Xehanort has been busy.
Oh.
Aw, Sora. Don't tell me your heart's sleeping too.
No, Mickey. This affliction is not the same.
Can we do anything for him?
Yeah.
In your Mark of Mastery exam, you were to unlock 7 sleeping keyholes. By doing so, you would awaken those worlds from their prison of slumber, and also acquire the power to free a heart from its sleep. Riku, you unlocked those keyholes within Sora's dreams. Therefore, it stands to reason that you now have the power to awaken Sora's heart.
Il a les cheveux plus courts là, Rico, non?
You want him to dive back into Sora's sleep? But, Master, Sora's heart is down in the darkest abyss. If Riku's not careful, he might just get trapped down there with him. No, I'll go instead.
And perhaps you may even succeed, Mickey. But there is no denying Riku stands the better chance, having dived into Sora's heart as long as he has.
Mickey, I really appreciate it, but I'll go wake Sora up.
Riku!
Look at his face. Sleeping like nothing's wrong. Like there's nothing to even worry about. He's always been like that. The 3 of us would agree to work on the raft, and then this guy would go take a nap on the beach. You see, it's my job to keep him on his toes. Besides,
C'est
what kind of
fini?
Keyblade
Non, il y
master
a encore un
sleeps
boss,
through
non?
his test? I'm doing it for me too. Sora saved me once. And I heard him call my name. He needs me.
On dira qu'on l'a fini quand j'aurai tout fini.
There's something real strong that binds us to each other.
Ça fait plaisir quand même d'avancer.
Even in the darkness, you can reach him. All you gotta do is follow that connection.
Gee, we're all connected to Sora.
You said it!
And if the darkness gets you, I promise I'll bail you out. Dark Rescue's my middle name.
Heureusement qu'il est là, Axel, hein, quand même. Hein.
Guys, thank you. Sora and I will be back soon.
Oui, c'est Lee. Bon, il a dit qu'on pouvait l'appeler Axel.
Yeah.
Non, ça c'est Lee, c'est pas Léa. Touche 30 Sora. Donc je les tape ou je les touche? C'est la musique de tout début de Kingdom Hearts 1, ça. Bon, ceux-là, il faut pas que je les touche, hein. Ça, j'ai compris. Et comment ça se fait que ça s'arrête pas? Qu'est-ce qu'il... De suite, de suite. C'est le pouvoir de la Keyblade qui m'a rendue plus forte.
Am I in Sora's dream? What?
Ça, c'est l'âme de Sora qui a été dans l'armure de Roxas. Ventus. Ventus, c'est pas Roxas. C'est lui qui emprisonne l'âme de Sora en fait. En gros, bah, il a sauvé quand même, l'air de rien. qu'est-ce qu'elle doit faire? Je ne sais pas. Bon, j'ai réussi. Merci. Oh, je suis soulagée. Cette petite session forme intensif de tout à l'heure, Titi, je pense elle a bien aidé. Bien aidé. Il est trop beau ce vitrail, j'aimerais trop l'avoir. Bah, j'ai vu qu'il y avait une figurine qui avait le vitrail comme ça. J'adore.
I'll find you, Sora.
On espère ce passage était hardcore, surtout fallait pas foirer leur voyage de bouboule. Tu m'étonnes. Ah oui, c'est vrai, on pourrait lui demander en vrai. Mais il faut qu'il soit rond. Je veux pas qu'il soit carré.
Roxas?
What is it that you're so afraid of?
Huh?
Hmm.
Losing something that's important. Roxas? No. Wait.
What is the one thing you care about more than anything else?
Salut Deschamps, tu montres, t'es bête. Bienvenue. Bah non, je me rappelle plus, il a demandé quoi? Je crois que c'est...
My close friends. What is going on? Huh? Sora!
Ah bah Deschamps, tu vas pouvoir voir la fin si tu... J'ai galéré moi aussi le week-end la semaine dernière pour le finir. Et là on va se faire le petit film après.
Who are you?
Riku, what do you wish?
More questions. All right. I wish
Hmm.
to get back to the real world and protect my friends.
Ah oui, Axel, il est trop classe. On en parlait juste là avant que t'arrives.
What's
J'adore
this?
ce perso. Enfin, c'est Lee maintenant.
You were not the visitor I expected.
Diz! I mean, Ansem the Wise.
Enfin, le
What
vrai.
are you doing here?
Perhaps I wanted to atone for events of the past, even if no apology can undo the harm I have wrought. I felt that I ought to leave at least something behind. So I digitized
Je suis pleine de
myself
surprises.
and my research and hid them
Mais
within
merci
Sora.
Deschamps. Merci beaucoup.
So this is data?
Yes. A clue, I hope, to finding yourselves or your lost friends in your hour of need. The heart has always been quick to grow. Each exposure to light, to the natural world, to other people, shapes this most malleable part inside of us. Nobody's are not different from us in that manner. Sora was the only one able to return to his human form without destroying his nobody. That is a statement to the love in his heart for other people and the bonds that tie them together. Perhaps he has the power to bring back the hearts and existences of those connected to him, to recreate people we thought were lost to us forever. Our most precious treasures, even an empty puppet, the trees of the forest, and the petals on the wind. There are hearts around us everywhere we look. And it does not take superhuman powers to see them. Surely we remember as children the way our hearts made everything seem so shiny and perfect. Sora has a heart like that,
Ouais, on va
uncorrupted,
voir, ouais.
willing to see the good before the bad. When he sees the heart in something, it then becomes real. When a connection seems broken, he may have the power to mend it. He has touched countless hearts. He has accepted them, and he has saved them. And some of those hearts have never left him, whether they fell into darkness or were trapped there, whether they sleep in the darkness of Sora's heart, or were welcomed into its warmth. They can be saved. All Sora needs to do is be himself and follow wherever it is that his heart takes him. It is the best and the only way. The rest is in there.
All right. Thanks. Thank you.
Of course. Now, why is it that you are here?
I kinda need to wake Sora up.
Don't tell me he's gone to sleep again.
Yeah. What'll I do with him?
What, indeed? Never fear. Sora is safe.
Huh?
He's not here. You see, by defeating the nightmare imprisoning Sora, you freed him.
You mean the Sora wrapped in that black phantom?
Then you came here, and you were questioned by 3 young people. That was the final key to awaken him. Sora is awake.
Oh.
You can go home now.
Really? Thank you.
J'ai trop hâte qu'on pleure tous ensemble sur le 3. Ah super, ouais.
Young man, I do not believe you ever told me your name.
Salut Ryu.
It's Riku.
Sora! Hey, Donald! Come on, you're hogging it all.
Oh, calm down, Sora, and drink your tea.
Ils ont ramené tout ça.
Sure is yummy. Hey! Riku! You're safe! Riku!
Je sens qu'il est amoureux de Timon.
Wait, haven't we got this backwards? And why
Bah ça
are you
va,
having
Ryu,
a tea
écoute.
party?
On a
You're
enfin
safe,
fini.
Riku!
Enfin
Oh,
fini
never mind.
cet
You
épisode
okay?
de Kingdom Hearts.
Feeling all right?
Yeah, I've never been better. I was watching what was going on in my dream, and I could hear your voice the whole time. Thanks, Riku. Thanks, everybody. Oh yeah! Did we pass the test?
You performed truly admirably, both of you. More than anything,
Ah, ça va
I
faire
am
bizarre déjà.
grateful to have you both back from Xehanort's deception unharmed. And I am grateful to Lee, whose spontaneous actions turned the tides. I am also deeply sorry for failing to perceive the danger and throwing you headlong into a perilous test. This experience has revealed many hidden truths, and we must gird ourselves for the great clash with darkness that lies before us. I believe we need a new Keyblade Master, one with a new kind of power.
Voilà, c'est tombé.
Sora and Riku, you both deserve the honor. However, one of you braved the realm of sleep again to unlock the final keyhole and save a friend. Riku, I name you our new true Keyblade Master.
Way to go, Riku!
Yeah?
I knew you were gonna pass with flying colors. This is just so awesome.
Gee, Sora, you're kind of acting like it's you that passed.
I told you Sora still needed some practice.
Hey,
Really? I'm a Keyblade Master?
Congratulations, Riku.
Thank you, Mickey. I owe it to my friends.
I'll catch up with you in no time flat.
what? You want to be a Keyblade Master?
Yeah. I mean, I came here to learn how to wield one.
You?
Hey, thanks for the vote of confidence. You know I was gonna come swooping in, Keyblade in hand. But I just couldn't get mine to materialize. Must be in the snap of the wrist or something. Oh.
Ah, elle est classe.
Do you have to go?
Well, I did doze off. I just have some stuff to take care of.
Are you gonna be okay?
Yeah, I won't be long.
Ça y est, c'est fini, enfin. Est-ce que tu es contente, Sion? Oh non, me dis pas ça, ok, ouais, non. Ils auraient rien compris s'ils avaient remis Trona.
Good. I was hoping this world was still here. But where are they?
Ah, tant mieux. Attends, j'arrive. J'en ai conscience.
There!
Et bienvenue, merci pour le follow. J'arrive pas à voir. Goland Murder. Merci pour le follow. Ah, ils sont tous là.
You're the best.
C'est crypty sur mon ordi. Nous sommes sur la fin du coup de Kingdom Hearts Dream Drop Distance. Enfin, il a souri mais il s'est pas réveillé. Hein. Voilà. Oui, sauvegardons.
What?
Qu'est-ce que c'est que ça? Julius? C'est le frère de Patibulaire? Là. Ah, je pouvais plus bouger. Est-ce que c'est nécessaire d'essayer de le battre ou pas? Je rebascule du coup sur le Just Chatting pour faire un petit point avec vous du coup sur la fin du jeu. Voilà. Donc j'espère que ça vous a plu du coup. Comme je disais, je suis très heureuse d'avoir enfin réussi à battre tous les boss. Et voilà, j'ai bien fait de ne pas dire que j'allais finir le jeu ce soir, comme ça, bah, au moins c'est une bonne chose de faite. Après, alors le jeu en lui-même est très bien. Il y a certaines parties qui m'ont un peu gonflé, comme vous avez pu le voir. Bah notamment Tron, vraiment, c'était pas nécessaire de mettre ce monde-là, vraiment. Ils auraient pu mettre un autre. Timon est ému. Mais ce n'est pas fini. Nous avons encore des Kingdom Hearts à faire, ne vous inquiétez pas. Sinon, après, bah, c'était sympa le petit système avec les aval-rêves. Moi, j'ai bien aimé. Bon, après, c'est vrai que ça fait un peu penser à Pokémon, donc c'est peut-être pour ça que je suis pas très objective. Et sinon, bah, le monde préféré que j'ai préféré faire, c'était Fantasia. Il était super, ça dénotait vraiment avec Tron en vrai. Et après le jeu était bien. C'est toujours super à voir, l'histoire est super, les personnages sont attachants. Voilà, bon, c'est pas mon préféré de la saga, mais j'ai quand même apprécié le faire, à part juste quand j'ai souffert sur Tron. Alors, le fait de jouer les deux personnages, c'est cool, mais je trouve que comment c'est fait l'alternance entre les deux, avec les passages, c'est un peu frustrant. Et puis de refaire deux fois, à chaque fois, l'histoire, c'est un peu redondant, je trouve. Donc ça, c'est un peu dommage. Après, les attaques sont super cool. Il y a toujours la possibilité de faire quand même enfin, pour un jeu de DS, je trouve que le panel d'attaque, les arbres de compétences avec les pets et tout, quand même, je trouve que c'est très fourni, c'est très varié. Donc, j'espère que ça vous a plu de suivre mes petites aventures dans cet épisode-là. Et nous, on va continuer après l'épisode 2 d'Aqua. Donc, on se retrouvera pour le let's play de l'épisode 2 d'Aqua. Voilà, donc n'hésitez pas à commenter, liker et partager cette vidéo. Et aussi à vous abonner à la chaîne pour plus de soutien, pour que cette chaîne elle puisse perdurer. Voilà, je vous embrasse, je vous fais de gros bisous. Et merci encore pour votre soutien. Et à très vite du coup. Bisous.